Take a look at the street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1941 Ford 5-window coupe. This paint less than 2 years old. Bright red, little flame job with some orange and blue highlights on it. Now, Ford guys, this is Ford powered 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the front grille. See the Frenched-in headlight, custom look, chrome bumper. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC, 4-wheel disc. Give us a call at 507-386-1726 with any questions. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Go ahead and take a look up and down the passenger side. Those are Touring wheels. 17-inch in the front, 20s in the rear. Black interior, bucket seats. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up so you can hear it run. Take a look at the engine bay. Battery relocation to the trunk. There's also a fire extinguisher mounted back there. It has a Pioneer AM, FM, CD, MP3 stereo, and then Kenwood speakers and a Jensen amp, and the amp is mounted in the trunk also, and you can see that in the still pictures. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Custom exhaust, you'll be able to see that in the underside pics. Frenched-in taillights. Nice little setup here for opening the trunk with the license plate bracket on the rear. This is on a spring, so it will actually spring back so you can open that trunk. There's a key lock on it, which is nice. Doing any traveling, any hot rod shows with this one. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a peek up and down the driver's side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Again, it appears to be black leather vinyl seats. Door panels look good. Rear seat, don't really notice any rips, tears, holes in the seats themselves. Does have a light tint on the windows. Doesn't look like anything too dark, but make sure you know your local and state laws, a percentage of tint that you can have on there legally. FYI, hood release is right here. AC controls below the stereo. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. So the 4.6 liter, you would have fuel injection, and again, Ford powered. Ford on Ford. Don't see that all the time for you purists. Of course, light switch over here on the left also. Little horn button down below, right here. Of course, blinkers on the column. It appears the gauge is all working. Voltmeter, fuel gauge. That was a cold start, so I would assume the temp gauge to be up. You can see that. Kind of dark in there to get it. And oil pressure. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy or obnoxious as far as with the exhaust. It's a nice little throaty exhaust note is all. Great lines on the 40 and 41 Fords for making street rods out of them. Alright, so let's pull this hood release a second here. And I'm going to pause it. It'll take me a couple of hands. get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there we go. Nice setup if you take a look. Good struts. So it's just lifted up. You want to do any shows, roll-ins, cruisins, lift the hood up. See a cold air intake there. Here's the 4.6 liter. Be a single overhead cam V8 engine. Power steering, power brakes, AC. So modern power plant underneath there. Remember, that's paired up with that 5-speed manual transmission. Sounds good, looks good. Aluminum radiator, an electric fan. Nice modern power plant in this 1941 Ford 5-window coupe, street rod, all steel by the way. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description, it'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.